Hello, today I'm here with a lot of greetings for you. Today I'm going to make Gradent's background. Here you can say Gradent background with one subject. Well, now let's start. I make one white background and then I have here one subject. Now what have to do? Let's start. Here we choose Gradent and then you can use whatever you like the color. Maybe I use this color for example, and then here you can make this one. Okay, here is red background. Now we transfer this subject to red background. So first of all, we make the subject separate. How to do it? Just going here, quick selection tool. This is our subject. To select the subject, let's see what happened. Here it choose the subject. Well, now you can see here our subject. So we do here, just paste it, just Control V. So just this picture is here. So this picture is a little bigger, so we make little bit smaller. So just I'm going to here, transform, and then scale, and then you can make it smaller like this. More, maybe if you like more smaller, if you like more smaller, whatever, like let's say like this. Like this you can do this way, and then so you can see it is like this. Now you can a little bit more smaller, then you can see what it is. So I made it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.